also be a cliche catchphrase. We've been hearing that. You got to love yourself. Well, that's kind of vague and broad. How does one love oneself? One of the ways to do it is never compare yourself to somebody else as the criteria on where you think you need to be along in your path. Your path is unique. You are unique. That means if you don't compare yourself based on your concept of beauty, you see what I'm saying? You might think somebody else is attractive, but whose perception of what you think that person is attracted by? You see what I'm saying? You know, certain things, you might think that person is wealthy, but whose concept? You see what I'm saying? He's able to go out and buy some stuff that another human has created. You ever thought about that? Well, if he's got the access to buy all that shit that these people are creating, what does that tell you about the motherfuckers who were creating that stuff? You see what I'm saying? And what is the origin of that inspiration? Whatever they have created in this technological shit that you can't live with, the origin of that inspiration is what? It's coming back to us. Right. See what I'm saying? But how does one love themselves? We got something, it's real simple. We got several concepts of this. But there's something about you that's uniquely you that you like about yourself. You know what I'm saying? That's uniquely you like about yourself. You see, I don't know what it is. You might scratch your ass the right way. You know what I'm saying? It might be something that you know that you say, I like when I do that shit there. You know what I'm saying? You might can cook a certain way. You know, you might can eat some ice cream a certain way. You know what I'm saying? You know, like my queen, it's amazing when I met this motherfucker, I'm like, shit, I'm gonna be 400 pounds. I can't fuck with you. She was eating birthday cake and chasing it down with Pepsi. She don't do like me with no stomach, no nothing. Just the way, you know what I'm saying? It's just one of those people. You know, you got some people like that. You're like, oh, I hate that bitch there. Motherfucker can eat what the fuck they want and don't blow up. You got some people like that. You know what I'm saying? Can eat the fat off the hog. You see what I'm saying? On top of some fat off of some damn goat and nothing happened to it. You see? But maybe that's something unique to her. What I'm trying to say here is everybody here got something that they love about themselves. You just got to find out what it is. And then magnify that tenfold, because that is the God property of what they talk about, the letters of the different attributes. You just got to find out what is your main attribute. You see what I'm saying? You know, and whatever you do, some people might can drink real good. You know what I'm saying? Some people might, I don't know. Whatever it is, it don't necessarily have to be moralistic either. You know what I'm saying? You know, some people, my mama can talk on the phone for hours to anybody about any conversation ever. You know what I'm saying?